Hey, I'm Apollo. I'm going to teach you about um, where is it? Adding numbers.
You're getting worse, and I know that you'll be calling me again.
Well, associative adding is where you add up the numbers where there's more than two numbers, and you group some numbers by just whatever you want to do with them, but it still adds up to two. I mean, not two. The sum. Yeah. Okay, so here's an example of associative writing. I mean, adding again. Right here. Shut up, Jazz. Okay, but it'd be 4 plus 2 would equal 6, and plus 8 would equal 14. And then the same thing down here where you group it differently. It's 2 plus 8, which equals 10, plus 4, which equals 14. They both have the same sum. Okay, another way of adding is commutative adding, and that's just adding like 2 or more numbers together, but just changing the order of them. It doesn't matter, but it comes up with the same sum, which is how you add it. It's just in a different order than what it came up as. That's what. Here's an example of commutative add. There's 1 plus 2 plus 3, which equals 6, but then you change the order of it, which is commutative add. 3 plus 2, which equals 5, plus 1, then it equals 6. So it's the same thing. You just change it up, like I said. Or up next is identity adding. And identity adding is just taking a number and plus adding 0 to it. Which doesn't make sense, but whatever you do, if you plus 0 to any number, it still equals that same number. So here's an example of what it is. So here you go, there's 2/3 plus 0, which still equals 2/3. Nothing happens. You're adding nothing. Oh, and then there's also 1 plus 1, then you get 1 again. Or it could be 3 million plus 0, and you still get 3 million. Or 3 plus 0, and you still get 3. It's all the same thing. Okay, now we're starting with inverse adding. And inverse adding is where like the opposites of numbers are added up and they equal 0. And here's my example of inverse numbers. So there's -7 plus 7, which does equal 0. The opposite. Same with -4/5 plus 4/5, then it does equal 0. Like that. Okay, I'm done.